guys, I'm back here at Warhammer Motorsport with Oliver, and this is actually a part 2 video to the boost leak video that we did where we tried to figure out where that kazoo noise was coming from, that weird whistle. Last time we changed the PCV unit to see if that would fix it. By the way, that video was a while ago. I think it was before I wore glasses. That's how long ago it was. I'm getting older. So I had some people reach out to me and say, try the diverter valve. It might be the diverter valve. Since then, 034 Motorsport has also come out with an upgraded PCV hose, one directional. We're gonna try both. We're gonna try the diverter valve first and take it for a launch and see if we hear that whistle noise. And if not, we'll come back and we'll change the PCV hose and see if that fixes it. I'm really, really hopeful that one of these two upgrades is going to solve the problem. So, back with Oliver, Warhammer, here we go. You're watching Midlife Mods. Before we continue, I need you guys to go check out Tamer, King of Dinosaurs from Michael Scott Earl. He sponsored my car. He's been sponsoring all of my recent videos, including this one. And he needs you to buy more of his books, specifically Tamer Book 10. You can scan the QR code on my hood. You can go to visit michaelscottearl.com, or you can click the link in the description of this video. But please go check out Tamer, King of Dinosaurs, Book 10 to help me make more content like this and to support the author. Please just go buy one book. They're like $9. Don't be cheap. Just go buy one, okay? Okay, so the first thing we're going to try is replacing the diverter valve. Here, Oliver is taking off the original one and inspecting it. And then he's installing the new one. It's the same part, but with a newer manufactured date. It's genuine Audi, and I ordered it from FCP Euro. So here I'm launching my car to listen for the whistle noise, but my camera audio didn't work. So you're just gonna have to trust me. There is still a very loud whistling noise. All right, so now we're going to install the new 034 Motorsport PCV hoses. These are one directional valves. It comes with a very nice check valve placement and flow direction. Very nice packaging. And gummies. What? Well, the audio didn't work on my camera again. So I think what's happening is my phone was connecting to my Bluetooth or something in my car, and it was cutting out the audio for the camera. So what happened after the PCV hose replacement? Well, I still heard the whistle or the kazoo. So the diverter valve didn't fix it. The PCV hose didn't fix it. The PCV unit didn't fix it. There's no boost leak indicators on any of the logs, the data logs that I run. So I guess my car is fine for now. Maybe the whistle means extra horsepower. I don't know. I guess my car's fine until my turbo blows up. I don't know. I couldn't solve this one, guys. If you have more suggestions on what you think the whistle sound might be, send me messages, give me suggestions, hit me up on Instagram, send me a DM or comment in this video. Sorry I couldn't solve the mystery this time, but thank you for watching Midlife Mods.